Hey guys, we're Mike and Kathleen of woodshopmike.com and welcome to episode 10 of the Scrapwood Challenge.
And if episode 10 doesn't make sense, make sure you go and check out episode 8 to pick up on what's going down there.
You are not going to let me live that down, are you?
I will not.
Dang it. Well, guess what, Mike?
What? What,
Christmas
Kathleen?
is coming up.
Does that mean Santa's gonna be here?
Yes.
Yes! Love Santa!
Wow. So, since it's Christmas, we are going to be doing this episode and the next Christmas themed.
All
so,
right.
what's up first, Mike?
Well, today in the shop, we're going to be making Christmas ornaments. So, Kathleen?
Wow. I'm going to be using this.
That's a lie.
Nope.
You can't make an ornament out of that.
Yeah, you can. Watch me. 1/4 inch Baltic birch plywood.
All right, very good.
Yep, the world's smallest scrap piece.
No, that's not true. I have one.
Well, no, I mean that we're going to make something out of. Well, so, Mike.
Yes?
What are you going to be using to make your ornament?
I will be using this piece of maple that was in the firewood pile, along with this piece of chestnut that was also in the firewood pile.
Beautiful. Well, in honor of Christmas,
Mm-hmm.
I got you a little something.
You did?
Yeah, it's going to help with our Scrapwood Challenge today.
I can't wait. What is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, hang on. Let me guess. Did you pay a lot of people to vote for me? It
No,
would
I
help my
did not.
Scrapwood challenge.
No, I did not. But I did get you something.
Okay. What is it?
So, hold still.
Okay.
Ready?
Nice.
What do you think?
I think I have a hat on.
Mhm.
Is this an elf ear?
It's in the elf ear.
Santa's little helpers.
Yeah, exactly.
I get it.
Can I have one?
Yeah. Let me see what I can do.
Okay. Oh man.
Pretty good, huh?
Fancy.
Yeah.
Little puffball and everything.
Yeah. You just. All right. Well, let's get to it.
Good luck.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.
Okay. Well, the dust has settled for the evening. So, Kathleen, tell us about your ornament.
I wood burned a little wintry scene,
Okay.
complete with a little red gnome right in here.
Now, where's the garden? Because gnomes usually watch gardens. All I see are a couple trees.
Oh, it's under the snow.
Ah.
Yeah. And then I colored it in with colored pencils. Threw some twine and some ribbon on there just to add some finishing touches.
Very nice.
So tell us about your ornament.
So I wood turned my ornament, and basically anytime I get to go play on the lathe, it's a good day.
It's a good day.
I really like that there was a wormhole in the chestnut. It just kind of captures the wormy chestnut-ness. So what?
It's just funny. I really like to see where the pest went inside the wood.
I like that an insect bored into this and pooped in there almost certainly.
I totally get it. It's just funny.
Yeah.
So.
No, I agree. Okay, so now that you've taken the thrill away for mine, well, you guys know what to do. Head over to our Instagram stories or comment below for who you think won this week's Scrapwood Challenge.
Or who wore it better.
Yeah, let us know about that too.
And make sure you're hitting that subscribe button so you do not miss the second installment of our Christmas episodes.
Yes, do it.
And until next time, have fun making something.
We'll see you. Santa!
Not half it. Quarter inch. Can't win if you're dead.
Oh, jeez. Bells or whatever.
Bells will be ringing.
The
sad, sad
tune.
I
Is it
didn't
tune
know
or
if it
song?
was news. So you ready?
Yeah. Is there a tiara on this?
What was that?
I don't know.
Woohoo!
I was just gonna roll with it. Little Pillsbury Dough Girl
Woohoo!
without the rolls. You got... Well...